Hi everybody, welcome to Victor Growth. My name is Vijay Jagadeesh. In this class, we are going to discuss about Board of Peace. You might have heard about Board of Peace. Let me go into detail and what type of question we can expect in the mains level. I don't think any prelims question possible in this, but mains level one question is possible, which I have given in this. Let us discuss into it. Okay. So before going further, we are Victor Growth. We provide coaching offline and online. We give coaching for IAS. That is UPSC Civil Service, also for Defense Service, NDA, CDS and AFCAT, offline and online available. You can contact us in this number for more details. Okay, so in this class, what we are discussing about Board of Peace. What is this Board of Peace? Okay, recently, we know that in Davos, we had one meeting, World Economic Forum meeting happens, all the countries discuss. In the same Davos, Donald Trump announced the inauguration of Board of Peace. Okay, so Board of Peace main purpose is resolving the, please write down, and always I will not say this again and again, you should have a notebook, you should have a pen and note down all the points. At least 1 mark we are trying to improve in which video which you are presenting, which class we are presenting, so that you are coming closer to your dream. So the main purpose of the Board of Peace is resolving the Palestine-Israel issue and creating two-state solution. Now, two-state solution means what? Okay, Israel and Palestine will coexist as a two independent country. Peacefully, they will be living. That's what the two nation. And this struggle is going for more than 1,000 years. I don't think immediately possible. But a solution is trying to come here. And you should understand one thing, that India is also supporting the two-nation solution. Long since we are supporting two-nation theory. That means Palestine should also be there. Israel should also be there. And more importantly, this Board of Peace, particularly for resolving the resolving the conflict, the UN Security Council has given the approval. So it is the UN Security Council approved peace deal, Board of Peace. So what is that? They are trying to solve the Palestine and Israel issue. Okay. Now what is this? Okay, India has skipped. India was also given invitation. Almost 20 countries have been given invitation, and some of the countries did not join. Okay, and in some countries he has withdrawn the invitation. For example, Canada he has given. He means what? Trump has given the invitation, and after sensing that he is going to make a deal with China, he withdrew the invitation. I don't think anywhere in the international affairs this will happen. You are given the invitation to Canada that please come and join the Board of Peace. Now he has withdrawn the Board of Peace invitation also. Okay. Anyway, so India is skipping. India has not gone for this meeting, inauguration and all. So Board of Peace is led by US led, and that is a little problematic. That means it is not a multilateral forum. It is a unilateral forum. That means the US will be dominating, and Trump has appointed himself as a chairman of this Board of Peace. Okay, some countries, 20 countries have joined already. Who are they? UAE has joined. Okay, UAE has joined. Saudi Arabia has joined. Israel has joined. Of course, Israel will join. Turkey has already joined. Okay, and India is supporting Palestine cause. India wants Palestine to be an independent country. Okay, and India has given a lot of humanitarian assistance to them. Lot of medicines we have given, food materials we have given. Okay, so that is one of the reasons that we may consider to join, but still we have not joined. We have not gone for the this meeting, inauguration and all. Okay, why mainly? Because it is appear to be unilateral. That is, US will determine. All the countries who are joining this one are the super fans. That's what the newspaper said. The people who have come here are the super fans of Trump. Okay, only the countries which are want to be a supportive or alliance, only they have joined. Okay, and see, even though we talk about it is a Israel-Palestine peace deal, Palestinians are not properly represented. Gaza is not invited. Gaza leadership is not invited. Gaza means Hamas maybe. So the representation is not coming from Palestine also. Okay, and moreover, I told you already, Trump has appointed himself as chairman. So what he decides will be that it's not a so Board of Peace, even though it talks about resolution in the Israel, it is not a multilateral. It is led by the US. So there will be unilateral decision. What Trump says is the decision. Okay, that is why India has not joined. There are a lot of other reasons also why India has not joined. Okay, now there's a speculation that it may replace that is, Board of Peace may replace UN in the future global conflicts. It may be a Kashmir issue or a Cyprus issue or any issues. Board of Peace may intervene unilaterally, and with the help of US alone, it is possible. Okay, so that is one speculation, that Board of Peace may replace US, and that is the main reason that India is not joining in this. Okay, so why India is not joining? It is a unilateral. Second one, it may replace UN in the future, also possible. And Palestine leaderships are not included in this; they are excluded from that. That means it is not a level playing field, is not there here. Okay, and more importantly, Pakistan have been invited. You can see, I don't know whether I have that photo. Pakistan president will be sitting along with the Trump. Okay, you can find that. So they are very happy to be, because they are the people who recommended Nobel Prize for Trump, right? Okay, so they are the people who said Operation Sindoor, Trump has intervened and all. Okay, so Pakistan has joined. Okay, so since Pakistan has joined, there's another possibility they will bring up the Kashmir issue also here into the Board of Peace, and that is why India is not joining. So third reason why India is not joining is Pakistan has joined in this. What is the purpose of Pakistan being there? It is not at all any powerful country. It doesn't have any relevance in the international era. Why Pakistan should join? And you know that India is one of the biggest foreign policy ambition is to become a permanent membership. That is 5 countries that we top our 5 countries. No, we want to become one among them. And we are striving for it. We are getting support from that. US is saying we are supporting. Russia is saying almost every country is supporting except China. But here you will get a permanent membership. How you will get permanent membership? Once you are paying 1 billion USD. 1 billion USD, anybody want to convert into Indian rupee? Okay, let me know in your comment section. $1 billion if you pay, you are getting a permanent membership in this board. Okay, and it is going to be, we will be, if we are joining in this, we have to be aggressive to take part in this. So we are going to have a non-UN mandate. For example, India, UAE, any military exercise, and UN peacekeeping force, India is contributing a lot. Okay. Now, what will happen? We are going to be a part of the non-UN international peacekeeping. It is again against our basic fundamentals of foreign policy. Fundamentals of foreign policy always being NAM, non-alignment movement. Another one is believe and faith in the UN. Now, if you go and join this Board of Peace, there are going to be possibility that without the concurrence or the confidence of the UN, there may be a lot of activities happening in the world, and India will be part of it. So that is another reason India is not going. So the last one, very importantly, without clarity, members countries risk becoming a rubber stamp of the arbitrary US decision. Okay, so US is taking a decision, other countries have to say yes sir, yes boss, yes sir. Okay, that is what. So Board of Peace is okay if it is stopping itself in concluding a peace in the West Asia between Palestine and the Israel. That is good, and India will support that. But if they are trying to replace UN and they are going to have all the future conflict in the world, that India will not support, because India itself having an issue with Pakistan and Kashmir. So we want UN resolution, or and for example, the Operation Sindoor kind of any strikes future needed, we will be able to do that. Okay, so India has not joined it, Pakistan has joined it. Okay, so based on that, I have made one question. Please write this question and send me the answer in my WhatsApp. I'll correct it and give you. Okay, I am not saying that immediately I'll correct it and give you, but definitely I'll correct it and give you. The question is like this: the establishment of Board of Peace has been proposed as a mechanism for conflict prevention and promotion of dialogue at the global level. Discuss the relevance, potential functions, and challenges of such board to the contemporary international order. See, you have to decode the question properly. Okay, and each word of the question you have to address in the answer. Okay, once you start writing the answer, every day you're writing the answer, then you're coming closer to your dream. Keep it in mind. Okay, and yeah, this is another one. I'll take another one. Okay, so as usual, this is Victor Growth. We'll provide coaching for NDS, CDS, Civil Services, Prelims, Mains, Test Series, and we also provide optional Public Administration Geography. And see you in another video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.